Let's dive into the world of ultimate luxury, sturgeon caviar. Join us as we unveil the secrets behind this exquisite delicacy, from the majestic sturgeon's habitat to the skilled artisans who craft the black gold. Get ready to savor the allure of the finest caviar, elevating your taste buds to new heights of pleasure and sophistication. Don't miss this captivating journey into the world of unparalleled opulence and taste. Let's dive into how it's made. Sturgeon caviar. The story of sturgeon caviar stretches back to ancient times, where it was revered as a symbol of luxury and indulgence by royalty and nobility. Native to regions around the world, sturgeon have been swimming through the waters for over 250 million years, surviving through various geological eras. Their long lifespans, some living up to a century, make them one of the most remarkable and ancient fish species. However, the popularity of caviar throughout history led to excessive harvesting, resulting in a decline in sturgeon populations. Recognizing the urgent need for conservation, dedicated efforts were put forth to protect and sustain sturgeon habitats. Today, strict regulations and conservation programs have been implemented to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures. The allure of caviar lies not only in its rich taste, but also in the rarity of its production. The process begins with the painstaking wait for female sturgeons to reach maturity, which can take up to a decade. Once matured, they produce precious roe that is skillfully harvested to become the coveted caviar. What makes sturgeon caviar truly exceptional is the variety of species, each offering a unique flavor profile. From the buttery beluga to the nutty osetra, connoisseurs are treated to an array of sensory delights. Sturgeon farming has emerged as a sustainable solution to meet the ever-increasing demand for caviar without depleting wild sturgeon populations. These farms are carefully designed to mimic the sturgeon's natural habitat, providing the ideal conditions for their growth and well-being. Located in pristine waters, the farms ensure that the sturgeons thrive in a stress-free environment. The process begins with obtaining fertilized sturgeon eggs from mature female fish, carefully selected for their genetic diversity and health. These eggs are then incubated in temperature-controlled environments to encourage proper development. Sturgeon farming requires a delicate balance of water quality, temperature, and nutrition, as even the slightest variation can impact the roe's quality. Sturgeon are known for their slow growth, and it can take several years before they reach a size suitable for harvesting caviar. During this period, expert caretakers closely monitor the sturgeon's growth, adjusting their diet and environment to ensure they remain healthy and robust. Once the sturgeons reach maturity, it's time for the highly anticipated caviar harvest. Skilled caviar artisans delicately extract the precious roe with utmost care to preserve its integrity. This process is often referred to as milking the sturgeon, as it mimics the natural method of obtaining caviar. In modern sturgeon farms, advanced techniques are also used to ensure the sturgeon's well-being during the harvest. Gentle anesthesia is administered to the fish to minimize any stress, allowing the caviar extraction to be a humane and painless process. The harvested roe is then carefully separated from any impurities, such as membrane fragments, and graded according to its size, color, and flavor. The grading process ensures that only the finest caviar reaches the market, adhering to the highest quality standards. From the farm, the caviar embarks on its journey to distributors and restaurants worldwide. The caviar's freshness is of paramount importance, and it is stored in optimal conditions to maintain its exquisite taste and texture. Distributors work tirelessly to deliver this precious delicacy to esteemed chefs, luxury hotels, and discerning customers who eagerly await the opportunity to savor this gastronomic gem. Harvesting caviar is a meticulous and delicate process, often carried out by highly skilled caviar artisans who have mastered the craft over years of experience. Before the harvest begins, the sturgeon are carefully assessed to ensure they have reached the optimal level of maturity. This crucial step ensures that the caviar achieves its finest taste and texture. Traditionally, caviar was obtained by gently milking the sturgeon, a technique where the eggs are gently massaged from the fish's belly without causing any harm. This method is time-honored and respected, reflecting the reverence and respect for this extraordinary delicacy. In modern times, advanced techniques have been developed to harvest caviar more efficiently, yet without compromising the sturgeon's well-being. One such method involves the use of gentle anesthesia administered by veterinary experts, ensuring the fish remains stress-free during the process. Once the sturgeon are under anesthesia, the caviar is carefully extracted, preserving the quality and integrity of the roe. After the eggs are harvested, they are immediately whisked away for sorting and grading. Each type of caviar, be it beluga, osetra, or sevruga, possesses distinct characteristics that make them highly sought after by connoisseurs. The size, color, and flavor of the roe are meticulously evaluated to ensure only the finest caviar makes its way to the market. Throughout the harvesting process, maintaining the caviar's freshness is of paramount importance. The harvested roe is gently rinsed and delicately handled to avoid damaging the eggs. The caviar is then carefully packed in tins or jars, protecting it from light and air, which can adversely affect its flavor. To preserve the caviar's exquisite taste and texture, it is stored in specialized refrigeration units at precise temperatures. These units are meticulously monitored to guarantee the caviar remains at its peak until it reaches its destination. Caviar production is an art that requires years of experience and a deep understanding of sturgeon biology and behavior. The caviar masterminds are individuals who have honed their skills over generations, passing down their knowledge from one artisan to another. These skilled craftsmen carefully select the sturgeon for harvesting, relying on their intuition and expertise to identify the perfect moment when the roe has reached its peak quality. With a gentle touch and unwavering focus, they delicately extract the roe, ensuring the process is humane and preserves the sturgeon's well-being. After the harvest, the caviar masterminds play a pivotal role in the grading process. They possess an acute sense of taste and a discerning eye to evaluate the caviar's size, color, and flavor. Each variety of caviar demands a unique approach, and these experts understand how to bring out the best in each type. Their dedication doesn't end there. Caviar artisans meticulously handle the caviar during rinsing and packing, safeguarding its delicate structure. They are entrusted with the responsibility of storing the caviar under precise conditions, ensuring it retains its freshness and exceptional taste. The caviar mastermind's passion for their craft goes beyond the technical aspects. They are true ambassadors of sustainable practices. These guardians of the caviar industry advocate for responsible fishing and farming methods, protecting the sturgeon species and their natural habitats. Once the caviar has been harvested, sorted, and graded, it embarks on its global expedition to reach discerning connoisseurs and top-tier restaurants. Distributors play a vital role in this process, ensuring the caviar's safe and timely transportation from the source to destinations worldwide. Preserving the caviar's exquisite taste is of utmost importance during transportation. To achieve this, the caviar is packed in specially designed containers that shield it from external elements, such as light and air, which can compromise its quality. Top-tier restaurants and luxury hotels receive the caviar with great anticipation, and their skilled chefs treat this prized delicacy with utmost reverence. The caviar's smooth, buttery texture and nuanced flavors create endless possibilities for culinary artistry. Caviar is often presented in its most traditional form, served on a mother-of-pearl spoon to avoid any metallic interference with its taste. Pairing caviar with champagne or chilled vodka elevates the experience, tantalizing the taste buds and creating an unparalleled moment of indulgence. For those seeking adventurous tastes, caviar can be presented in innovative ways, infused in creams, garnishing dishes, or even atop sushi rolls, offering a contemporary twist to this timeless delicacy. As you savor each tantalizing bite, the journey from roe to your plate becomes a testament to the craftsmanship, passion, and dedication involved in every step of the caviar production. The centuries-old tradition of caviar making, combined with modern sustainable practices, allows you to experience the epitome of luxury, an enchanting encounter with sturgeon caviar that leaves a lasting impression on your palate and in your heart. And there you have it, the mesmerizing world of sturgeon caviar, a journey from the depths of pristine waters to the epitome of luxury on your plate. From the hands of skilled caviar artisans to the discerning palates of esteemed chefs, sturgeon caviar continues to enchant and delight gastronomes worldwide. Remember, every delicate bite of this black gold encapsulates centuries of passion and dedication to perfection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating glimpses into the world of culinary marvels. Until next time, happy indulgence.